Hello and welcome to Sacred Crystals. This is a little bit on pendulums and how to use them. Pendulums are used for dowsing, and dowsing is a form of divination. It's asking questions of the universe that can be answered with a yes or a no. It doesn't answer subjective questions, and it doesn't give you lottery numbers because it's facts that are known to the universe, and the lottery numbers haven't been drawn yet. So they aren't known to the universe yet. So you can play with it, but typically not the best source for your lottery numbers, but for fun, go ahead, why not? You know, it's your universe, you can create it as you wish. So first thing when you're using a pendulum is you ask it to show you your yes and your no. So you say, show me my true yes, show me my true yes, show me my true yes, and you see mine goes back and forth to and from the camera. That's my yes all the time. That's what works for me. Some people go in a circle, some people go the opposite direction. Everyone's a little different. So you ask what your yes is, and you find out what your yes is. All right, so this is my yes. And if I wanted it to be more intense, I would say intensify it, because when you first start using a pendulum, it barely moves because you don't trust it yet. You have to get to that point where you trust it. All right, so show me my true no. Show me my true no. Show me my true no. And this is where the magic is, because it never fails. It always works. Show me my true no, and you see it change. Isn't that amazing? I'm holding my hand as still as I possibly can. Show me my true no. Show me my true no. Intensify it, intensify it. Yep, that's my no right there. So you ask it yes or no, and then you ask it another question. You say, are you willing to work with me today? And you get your answer. Are you willing to work with me today? Are you willing to work with me today? And you ask it. Mine is going back and forth to the camera again. Back and forth. It seems like a little on an angle in the picture, but it's back and forth to the camera. It's just where I'm holding my hand. All right, that's my yes. So yes, this beautiful sodalite pendulum is willing to work with me today. Yay! All right, sodalite eliminates confusion, so it's a good one for a pendulum as well. All right, so it's willing to work with me. So now I can ask it yes or no questions. I always tell the young ones that it's not going to answer questions like, do they like me? Because that's very subjective. It's not so much a solid fact. Now, what is a solid fact is if, for example, a woman is pregnant and you don't know the sex of the baby and it's past the time that sex has developed, you can ask with the pendulum the sex of the baby. You can hold the pendulum over the mother's stomach and say, will it be a boy? And it'll say yes or no. Or will it be a girl? And it will say yes or no. All right, so you can ask it questions that are facts that are known to the universe. All right, so get your pendulum. And by the way, guys, I will tell you straight up, a pendulum is any weight on a string. So it doesn't have to be a special one. Now we collect them because, like I said, you ask it if it wants to work with you, and sometimes they say no. So it's nice to have a backup. However, this one, you know, is a special pendulum. It's also, this is a bracelet, so you can wear it, which is really nice. But you don't have to have specifically a pendulum. You can use any weight on a string, whether it's you tie a necklace or a ring to a string, and you can use that as a pendulum in a pinch. But people like to collect them, and they're fun. They have good energy, so it's nice. They're like pets, kind of. So get yourself a pet pendulum today. And blessings to you guys. I hope this was helpful.